I want the children to do. This year the Queen Quet for Gullah Geechee TV Nayshun Nyews. Now plenty of time when hundred a day upon we Facebook fan page and thing, hundred children not see this your face before. Plenty of time you watch Gullah Geechee TV, you see the man a wrong with a camera and things like that. Then you see one and we assembly of representative members, Brother Hadis. I wanted to do today. All right, so glad to see you again, and we know this your stomping ground right here, Chuck Town.
That's where I born and raised up there.
I know that's right.
It's a wonderful place to be in life.
That's all right. That's all right. Now you know, plenty of time when people come to Charleston, they don't stand where we standing with a baseball field and all that kind of thing. But I know from the baseball field to the soccer field to the basketball court, you own these a lot with the churn here in Charleston. But tell me why, like some people would say, they look at you and say, man, if I be your age, man, I need a churn loan, I could just enjoy retirement or something like that. Why do you involve yourself so much with these kind of things?
I involve myself with kids because I was brought up there with. We had elders, gentlemen who helped develop me into this kind of mentality, you know? And to always pray and ask the Creator, you know, to uplift somebody every day. So my spirit is always to uplift someone, no matter what field you get into. So I chose the sports and the music field to uplift and to help develop the kids, and to help others get the kids.
To actually grow into positive people in the community.
Right.
Yeah. Now I know today is a special day, and I know, like you say, the elders of the community helped to bring you up. So I know we're celebrating Phillip Simmons' birthday today. Right across from us is the new Gullah Theater and Studio PS. But now, what did Phillip Simmons mean to you?
Oh, Mr. Simmons mean a whole lot to us because I remember when I was coming up, and I was in high school, and we can go on the trips and stuff because he used to support us in high school, especially when I've been an athlete.
Right.
And he used to ride the bus with us. You know, but we see him as Mr. Simmons. We didn't see him as an artist and that because he always used to be himself. You know.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Just a down-to-earth man.
That's
exactly,
right. Yeah.
Exactly. And I know plenty of things we've done for the Gullah Geechee Nation. He would come and join us.
Right.
He'd be at numerous affairs, especially when we did things at the borough houses and so on, and he was always supportive. Yeah. And you know, so it's so important to us in the Gullah Geechee Nation, just what you said, having everything passed on and passed down. Yeah, and so it's a powerful thing to be able to be here today. And I know you and I were looking at some of the artwork that the artists have out in the mural and everything. You know, what do you say about something like this being in this area that mostly if people pass through, they figure was more of an industrial kind of area of Charleston? What do you say about what they're trying to do here with this new studio?
Well, you know, this culture, to me, it's like a culture center.
Right.
A culture center where you help develop the community. You know, and a lot of times we used to have culture center, but then it seemed like it just faded away from our community. But the culture center was to keep our community balanced.
Right.
And you get a lot of wisdom that when you create a culture center in that community. Help that community to understand what's going on around them in the environment, you know?
Exactly. And it's a blessing to be able to have that.
That's right.
Yeah, in the midst of everything else where folks,
right,
and what's going on and how people try to act like our people don't care about having the culture or the arts or educating their children.
Right.
But this stands as a testimony to that and really being able to reconnect. Yeah, everybody. Absolutely right. So definitely, Brother Hadis, we know we're going to see you again and things like that throughout this summer because we got plenty festival and all kinds of things coming up and plenty places for we to gather, we people together. So we so appreciate you because we know we can guarantee nobody got to call you. You gonna be there when they pull up. So we sure thank you for all your work you do representing the Gullah Geechee Nation and definitely helping to educate the community and keep the churn coming up like we did so they learn some positive things so they'll pass something on to somebody else. So, honey children, this year the Queen Quet head from the body of this year Gullah Geechee Nation, but this year Gullah Geechee TV station. We so glad for day in downtown Chucktown, celebrating the birthday of the late Phillip Simmons. God bless the dead. Honey children, keep on going on, y'all, because we know that this year the who we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Peace and blessings. Children to do this year the Queen Quet one more again for this year Gullah Geechee TV Nayshun Nyews for this year opening of the Phillip Simmons exhibition here at Studio PS in the Gullah Theater right down here in downtown Chucktown. Now, what else we gonna have but to bring we people back into the Garden of Eden? Now this year garden right in the midst of all of this year concrete and thing like that. This year the way the culture still to grow at. Plenty of time when honey children come to Charleston, you just go to visitor center and you walk one block in each direction wrong. But it's so much riches all throughout the peninsula that honey will find a Garden of Eden right here in the midst of all the wells you done see if you just look a little while. But see, one thing that's such a blessing about this whole mural over there is the tree of life. Now, honey, here we sing and say, and I got a right to the tree of life. That is one of the things we elders in the Gullah Geechee Nation always know. So no matter what other person people may think, we always had a right to the tree of life. And see, once we to understand that, and we shout wine underneath that tree of life and things like that, all the richness and all the blessing will come out of Mother Africa, can come back into we. All the good things, all the positive things, all the things that bring unity amongst the people can come back into we, and we can let them wind back out yonder so we can have more knowledge grow from the tree of life. And see, as my favorite proverbs say, wisdom is the principal thing. So get wisdom, but in all thy get understanding. So that what is your program about, to help her to understand who we be down here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And we be Gullah Geechee anointed people, blessed by the tree of life. Thank God for this your day. And one more again, happy birthday to the late Phillip Simmons. God bless the day. Peace and blessings.